Satco's Dimension tape line of products is available for a wide range of installations and projects. From the beginner to the professional, for indoor and outdoor applications, there are 4 groups to choose from: Color, Performer, Plus, and Pro. In this video, I'm going to tell you about our most comprehensive Dimension offering, the High Brightness Dimension Pro series. Our Pro kit has RGB functionality as well as tunable white capability, and the option to connect to the Starfish app for smart control via your mobile device. Our Pro series is available for indoor or outdoor applications. The Dimension Pro kits are perfect for every type of application, indoor or out. The indoor kit includes RGB TW tape light reel and come with 3M tape pre-installed on the back for a quick installation. The outdoor IP65 rated RGB TW tape light reels include 5 mounting clips per 16 feet. Both types are available in 16 feet, 32 feet, or 64 feet via 2 32-foot reels. The kit also includes a controller with IR remote control for indoor kits, or a RF remote controller for the outdoor kits, which allows you to power on and off, switch between white color temperatures, colors and effects, as well as dim and brighten the light. There's also the ability for smart control via the Starfish app, which will allow you to control brightness, colors, effects, scenes, automations, timers, and schedules. 2 power source options are available: 120-volt plug, indoor or outdoor, or 120 to 277 junction box, indoor or outdoor, for direct wire installation. Additional features include 1920 lumens per reel for 16 feet, 3080 lumens per reel for 32 feet, and 6300 lumens per kit for 64 feet and a CRI of greater than 80, 50,000 hour rating, and a 1-year limited warranty. For more information on our Dimension products, go to satco.com.